Hi everyone, thank you for watching my oat milk recipe video. I know a lot of people have been asking how I make it, and it's taken me quite a while in order to get it to where it's not slimy or to where it has a good flavor to it. Just a couple of tips. I really don't drink milk straight from the glass, so a lot of people are comparing their almond milk or their oat milk to how good does it taste on its own. I really don't do that. To me it doesn't taste like it has very much flavor by itself, but it's amazing when I add it with other things. For my chocolate oat milk, I make iced coffee from home, and then with my white oat milk, I use that just for ingredients or for smoothies, and so I really don't like drinking these by themselves. The reason that I put in the digestive enzyme capsules is because the enzymes in it kind of break down the starches, and it makes it to where it's not slimy. There were a couple of times where I did make the oat milk and I didn't do that, or I forgot to strain it out after I did that, and Hunter was drinking his smoothie with that oat milk and there was like chunks of grossness, and no. You want to use the enzymes. The enzymes, it's really cheap and it goes really far in making your oat milk taste a lot better. Let me know what kind of content you want to see on this channel. I know I want to talk about mom life, wife life, minimalism, tiny living, organizing, and probably a little bit of healthy living. Hunter and I are trying to make the transition from eating kind of the typical American diet into our version of what's healthy, what's actually going to nurture our body, what's going to nourish us. And it's kind of a really hard transition because nobody agrees really on like what's actually healthy, but we are in the process of doing that. Therefore, in the future, you'll see those types of videos. Give this video a thumbs up, comment with what videos you would like to see, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks!